Hello everyone! For this do-it-yourself project, we'll need a battery commonly known as a 9-volt battery and a connector for it, which you can take from a similar battery. Solder thin, bare wire strands to the connector. Next, take 2 syringe needles and thread the soldered wires through them. Attach the needle to the connector with super glue. Cut off the needle's sharp tip and wire. Glue the caps together so they come off simultaneously. That's it for this part of the homemade project. Next, get a piece of profile pipe and cut off one side. This is how it should look. Next, we make approximate marks and drill a hole with an 8mm drill bit. Now let's take a piece of Textolite and mark it according to the drilled holes. From the Textolite, everything needs to be cut off except for the marked area. In the remaining circles, drill a hole in the center with a 1mm drill bit. Now you need to solder 2 pieces of wire to the Textolite. Apply glue to the Textolite and attach it to the profile pipe. Mark 2 spots and drill a 4mm hole again. You'll also need a small motor with a gearbox and will have to solder wires to it. These motors are available on AliExpress. So, now you need to attach the motor using 2 bolts. This is how it should look. Next, you need to take 2 latches and drill a hole in them with a 1.5mm drill bit. Then we take a piece of plate, also make a hole in it and cut an M4 thread, attach the plate to the latches using self-tapping screws. All of this now needs attaching to the profile pipe. I did this off camera and here's the result. Next, take a piece of plastic tubing and put it on the motor shaft. Screw an M4 bolt into the plate and attach it to the motor's tube. Next, we test the system by supplying 9 volts to the motor and confirm the lock opens. And if we reverse the polarity, the motor starts spinning in the opposite direction and the lock closes. Next, following the markings, we drill holes in the door and attach the lock. Now we take a 9-volt battery and insert the needles into the holes. They touch the contacts on the printed circuit board and the lock starts to close. We switch the needles, the motor spins the other way, and the lock opens. We switch them again, locking it. That's the homemade device we created, which adds extra security to a garage door or shed. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks everyone for watching, and goodbye.